Beauty is about looking your best at any age, not chasing youth. As we grow older, our faces tell the story of our lives, each smile line and freckle a memory, not a flaw. Embracing these changes is a powerful act of self-love. As we move past 40, our skin changes. Drier texture, more lines, less firmness. Hormonal shifts, sun exposure, and the passage of time all play a role in how our skin looks and feels. These changes are natural, and they deserve to be honored, not hidden. The makeup that worked in our 20s may now settle into lines or look dull. What once gave us a flawless finish might now emphasize texture or dryness, making us feel less confident. Instead of hiding these changes, let's celebrate them and adjust our approach. Makeup should evolve with us, becoming a tool for self-expression and joy, not a mask. Heavy matte products can age us. Lighter, hydrating formulas enhance our natural glow. Opt for products that nourish the skin, letting your radiance shine through rather than covering it up. Think of makeup as self-care, a ritual to highlight your best features. Taking a few moments each day to care for yourself can boost your mood and confidence, making you feel beautiful inside and out. Skip harsh contouring and embrace techniques that add light and radiance. Soft highlights and gentle touches can bring out your natural beauty, making your skin look healthy and vibrant. Try creamy blushes and hydrating foundations for a fresh, modern look. These products blend seamlessly, giving your skin a dewy, youthful finish without settling into fine lines. It's not about looking younger, but about embracing your beauty with confidence and style. When you feel good in your skin, it shows in every step you take and every smile you share. Your beauty is timeless. Let your makeup reflect that. Celebrate every stage of your life, and let your makeup be a reflection of your unique journey and inner glow. Great makeup starts with great skincare, especially for mature skin. Hydration is key. Cleanse, then use a rich moisturizer with hyaluronic acid or ceramides. A luminous primer smooths texture and adds a healthy glow. Choose lightweight, hydrating foundations or tinted moisturizers for a natural finish. Apply foundation only where needed, letting your real skin show through. Avoid matte formulas. Opt for radiant or dewy finishes to lift and brighten. Use a damp sponge or brush to blend for a seamless look. The goal, even out tone, not mask your skin. A sheer, glowing base always looks more modern and flattering. Enhance your skin, don't hide it. Let your natural beauty shine through every step. Concealer can brighten mature skin, but less is more. Use a lightweight, hydrating concealer just on dark areas. Avoid heavy formulas. Tap gently with your finger for a seamless blend, steering clear of crow's feet. Cream blush brings back a healthy flush. Apply to the apples of your cheeks and blend upward for a lifting effect. Creamy textures melt into skin, giving a natural, youthful glow. Avoid placing blush too low, keep it high for a subtle lift. The right blush placement instantly makes you look more vibrant and rested. A touch of warmth transforms your whole look. The right colors can truly transform your look, brightening your complexion and enhancing your natural features in the most flattering way. When you choose shades that complement your skin tone, you'll notice an instant boost in radiance and confidence. For blush, reach for warm, soft shades. Think peachy pinks, corals, and rose tones. These colors mimic a natural flush and add a healthy, youthful glow to your cheeks, making your skin look fresh and vibrant. When it comes to eyes, skip heavy shimmer and very dark shades, which can sometimes look harsh or accentuate fine lines. Instead, opt for satin or soft matte finishes in taupe, brown, or muted plum. These shades softly define your eyes and create a gentle, sophisticated effect. Apply a light, neutral eyeshadow on your eyelid to brighten and open up the eyes. Then blend a slightly deeper shade into the crease for subtle, natural definition. This technique enhances your eye shape without looking overdone. For lips, choose shades like rosy pinks, berries, or warm nudes. These colors add life, polish, and a touch of sophistication to your look, making your smile appear more vibrant and inviting. Try to avoid very dark or extremely pale lip colors, as these can be harsh or make your complexion look washed out. Instead, stick to shades that enhance your natural lip color and brighten your face. Keeping your color palette cohesive by matching your blush, eyeshadow, and lipstick creates a harmonious, elegant look that feels put together and timeless. Warm, radiant hues are universally flattering and give your makeup a modern, fresh feel. They work beautifully across different skin tones and ages, making them a safe and stylish choice. Remember, the goal is to let your makeup enhance, not overpower, your natural beauty. Subtle, well-chosen colors can make you look and feel your best. By choosing soft, glowing colors, you'll achieve an effortlessly beautiful look that flatters you at any age, helping you feel confident and radiant every day. Eyes are the focal point of every face. When they're bright and beautifully defined, they instantly draw attention and create a sense of timeless elegance. Achieving this look doesn't require harsh lines or heavy makeup. Instead, gentle techniques can enhance your natural beauty and keep your gaze looking fresh and youthful at any age. Begin by applying a lightweight eyeshadow primer to your lids. This step smooths the delicate skin, evens out any discoloration, and helps your eye makeup last all day without creasing or fading, especially important for mature skin. For definition, choose a soft gel pencil or a dark eyeshadow as your liner. Shades like deep brown or charcoal are universally flattering and create a softer, more natural look than harsh black, which can sometimes appear too stark. Try tightlining the upper lash line by gently pressing the pencil between your lashes. This subtle technique makes your lashes look fuller and your eyes more defined, without any obvious lines. Next, use an eyelash curler to lift and open up your eyes. Follow with a lengthening mascara, focusing on separating each lash. Avoid clumpy or heavy formulas which can weigh down your lashes and make eyes look tired. Well-groomed brows are essential for a lifted, youthful appearance. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas, applying with light, feathery strokes to mimic the look of natural hair. Avoid drawing harsh, blocky lines. Instead, aim for softly defined brows that enhance your features and frame your eyes beautifully. Remember, your brows are the frame for your entire face. Taking a few extra moments to shape and define them can make a dramatic difference in your overall look. When applying eyeshadow, keep the colors soft and well blended. Gentle transitions between shades create a timeless, sophisticated effect that never goes out of style. These simple steps will help your eyes appear more awake, vibrant, and youthful, no matter your age or experience with makeup. With a polished, softly defined gaze, you'll always look effortlessly elegant and timeless. Defined, hydrated lips bring vibrancy to your face. Start with a nourishing lip balm for a smooth base. Use a lip liner that matches your natural lip color to define and prevent feathering. Fill in lips with liner for longer-lasting color. Choose creamy, satin, or sheer lipsticks. Matte formulas can accentuate lines. Glossy finishes add fullness and a youthful shine. Stick to rosy pinks, corals, berries, or warm nudes for the most flattering look. Avoid very dark or frosty shades, which can age the lips. A hydrated, softly defined lip completes your look with elegance. Makeup is about self-expression, not hiding. Confidence is your best accessory. Embrace your lines and your journey. Let your routine be a joyful ritual, not a quest for youth. There are no strict rules. Do what makes you feel beautiful. Some days call for a bold lip, others just a touch of balm. Both are perfect. True beauty radiates from self-acceptance and joy. Celebrate your age, experiment, and let your makeup reflect your spirit. You are beautiful, powerful, and your confidence is timeless.